Bulent aydin. I'm gonna do unboxing today. Which unboxing I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do unboxing of this. I will do unboxing. This is I just received this. I don't know what's inside. Really, I just opened it, so I know what's inside, but I'm gonna open it again because it's gonna be unboxing and full review. Okay, let's find out. Oh, I got postage. What is this? Oh, it's called zhiyun gimbal. It's a stabilizer. Yeah, that's focused on my face. I guess it's focused on my face. Even if it's not focused on my face, it's probably focused on this thing, so you should be okay in both ways. So this, I never opened this. I opened the packaging already. I was joking, but I never opened this, so I'm gonna open this right now. My nails, you can see some black bits because I've been fixing the my bicycle, and it was all black. I used nail cutter, but it's not enough. It will take days to get disappeared, so don't mind this if I have black nails. I'm honest. I'm showing you anyway. Okay, let's do unboxing. I never opened this. It's gonna be first time. How much this cost? I bought it for 90 pounds. Normally it's about 110 pounds on the market, but I got it cheap. It's called zhiyun smooth stabilizer. I'm gonna do a full review with I'm gonna use my my phone. This is for the phone. I've been taking all these videos with the phone, sometimes with digital cameras, which I'm recording now. I'm recording this with some Canon G7X Mark II anyway, just to let you know the quality, so you can see the quality that is that. But this is for the smartphone, and I want to do some shooting with the smartphone with gimbal and without gimbal as well. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go outside and show you that as well. I'm not gonna just show you unboxing. So keep watching. So let's open it. It's the box. Since I'm not gonna return this, let's chuck it there. I won't be able to return it because I bought it cheap. And the unboxing. Let's see. I don't even know what's inside. I mean, I know what's inside, but I don't know what how I'm gonna get it. Okay, this coming in this box, which is lovely. Thank you for that. That will be handy to carry. Yeah. And you got strap for the box, and you got paper, instructions. You should always read the instructions. And what's this? We got this looks like charging cable. It looks like charging cable, so I'm gonna need that. I don't need this box anymore. Let's chuck that there. You know what happened? I received this just before 20 minutes, and postage man, he knocked the door. I was just going to open the door, and then I hear some bang noises. What happened? Postman just throw from the window after looking few times. So it's crazy, like, but I don't think it's gonna get damaged because it had some wrapping with bubbles, and it had this box and it had this box as well, so I don't think it's gonna it had any damage. Let's I wonder, it's my first time as well opening this, so let's open it. It's done. Okay, that's what you're gonna get inside the box. That's what you're gonna get. It's focusing okay, yeah. Let me focus on there. That's what you're gonna get. Yeah, that's it. Now it's focused on the thing. Now let's focus back on my face, which is more important, I guess. Not in this video, but generally it's more important. Alright, and then that is how it looks like out of box. So since it's focusing on my face, when I move that on my face, that means you're gonna see this focused. And oops, and this is what I need for my coming videos. Let me focus on that thing again. No, it focuses on the back screen. Alright, now it's focusing on the gimbal, which is great. Now you won't be able to see my face because it's tracking the gimbal. Thank you, Canon G7X. First time is doing good job. Is yeah, alright, still focusing on that thing. Now it lost the connection. Now it's back to gimbal. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, so I'm gonna test this thing. Let me focus back to my face. Thank you. Okay, and I'm gonna test this gimbal outside. I'm gonna give a full review. Okay, so I got two Samsung phones here, and they both have stabilizer on them. So on this side, you see with the stabilizer on, with the stabilizer gimbal, and on this side my hand. But they are exactly same. They both phones have the same cameras. Okay, let's see now the footage. I'm gonna walk inside the bus. Yeah. I'll turn there. So this one does it smoothly, huh? I was turning. So the difference is the gimbal does everything smoothly. Let me turn there and walk upstairs. I'll walk upstairs now. Alright, yeah. I hold both of them with my hand. So the only difference, one of them has stabilizer. I try to hold them in the same position. Yeah, but as you see, one of them has a stabilizer, one of them doesn't have stabilizer, so it's a bit shaky one. I can see the difference. I can see the difference, what's going on. So that's the difference. I go down the bus everything is running smoothly on the stabilizer one. Okay, and let me go down. So stabilizer does everything, all the turnings slowly, but you get more action on without stabilizer. So I can't choose. Well, stabilizing is good, but it does things automatically. All right, but let me use extra functions now on stabilizer. Let me go. Let me show you the difference one more time, and then turn that side. Yeah, they have both same cameras. Yes, as you can see, you get similar footage. Yeah, so it does things smoothly. Yeah, and now I'm gonna use the controls on the stabilizer. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, it goes up and down, up, but it doesn't go, it doesn't turn. I don't know why. I have to work on it. I have to work on it a little bit. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do now on the on this footage that I done, the both cameras they had their own company stabilizers. Now I'm gonna turn the stabilizer off totally on the both of the devices to make it to show you what the stabilizer can do only without company stabilizers, inbuilt phone stabilizers. I'm gonna switch them, both of them off. Let me do that. Settings. Okay, now I have both of the cameras. I turned off stabilizer, the phone's stabilizer in both of them. So now all you see is camera with this one without stabilizer, nothing, no optical stabilization, and this one you can same. There's no any stabilization on the phone, but it's just on the device I'm using. There is a stabilizer I'm using on that one, so you're gonna see the footage different. Again, let's go upstairs. So upstairs again, same. I'm holding them in the same position. I think there is a much difference in this phone's capacities when I use this stabilizer. So I can see the difference on the screen even without touching on the computer. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the hands, and maybe my one of my hand shaking more than others, so I just change the hand now. Let's see how is it gonna go like that. That's going into dark. again. Let's go upstairs. So this is canon. Let's do the last walk. So this is what stabilizer does for you, and the winner is this one. You are the winner, and you are the loser. Bye bye, loser. Hello, winner. So I am gonna use you, winner, on my music videos wherever I can, and learn more about you. So thanks for watching my comparison, and I will do more of these videos as soon as I get my hands on the tech. And thanks. Please subscribe my channel to see more of this. Yeah, nobody does that on the YouTube. Nobody shows you that. Maybe I can lose my job because I'm doing this. Why I'm doing this? I have to do it. I have to fight with the cooperative insurance, and I have to become famous. I have to. And another reason, I'm getting old, and if I don't do it now, I won't be able to do after 10 years or 20 years. So I'm just doing what I enjoy. Thanks for watching again. And it is how I look when I work, so don't mind my looks. Thank you. I forget to mention this gimbal had the connection port for the tripod is was, so it is very important for me that you see the connection port here. You see that? Let's focus on this. You see the connection port there. It's very important because if you use the tripod, or if you wanna put on somewhere, it is very important. So you can just yeah, so you can just stick on the tripod and do your music video, something that you want to shoot, because this gimbal has also when you download the app, it can follow you, like it can track you. So it's very important to have this connection port, so just to hold somewhere, because you're not gonna get someone to hold this always. So it was important. I never seen up to now, I never seen any videos on YouTube mentioning this port connection. So, and another thing, this can last you about this is the simple version. It's gonna last you about 12 hours, it says, but I'm gonna test that as well. And yeah, it's quite cheap, and it's plastic. There's another version which costs about £80 more. It's more better quality, build quality, but this will do me, as I don't want to spend so much money, and I think this will do me. Keep watching my videos. I'm gonna do good reviews. Thank you. By the way, this is zhiyun Sumut gimbal. Yeah, thanks for watching me. Thanks for now. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching Superstarbill, Bulent aydin. And Superstarbill, who is that? Okay, it's a brand. Superstarbill is a brand, and you're gonna it's not no purchase necessary, so you're not gonna buy that, but it's the brand that I'm trying to make. One day you're gonna see Superstarbill. Is a comedian. Superstarbill is a comedian, and I am Bulent aydin, musician. So that's the difference between me and the Superstarbill. Superstarbill, whenever you see the comedian, is Superstarbill. Thanks for watching.